to know, like from there. Get in there, Tiff. Come on, we gotta get the muster drill
together.
Yeah. Okay. This young man here is going to show us how to do the life jacket demonstration. Because that is so important for us to know how to do that. He's going to save our lives.
Hi, I'm Tiff.
And I'm Dre.
And you're watching Tiff and Dre TV.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. All right.
Let's do it again.
So we made it through security. And we're holding our boarding pass. There's guest services over there. It's kind of crowded. I'm right behind you, babe. All right, October 28th, 2023, on a Saturday. Carnival Mardi Gras, Eastern Caribbean cruise. Yeah.
Here we are.
Here we are. We're about to get closer to the gangway. All right.
All right.
All right, here we go. And there's another checkpoint. Okay, 7's better. Go ahead. Right.
What's your name?
Andre.
Thank you. Good day.
Thank you. All right. Woo. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. The stretch to the gangway.
You're not even
okay, here we go. I gotta push the button. This stuff is hard. Okay, so what time is it, Tiff?
It's 11:46.
11:46? Give us a pretty
Faster
time.
to the fun.
Yeah, check out the shirts we got here.
Yeah.
You want to hold it, baby?
Mardi Gras?
Yep. All right.
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. Okay.
All right, now let me flip it so we can get into the gangway area.
Okay.
What's up, everybody? Here we go. All right, gangway. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. The habit trail. All right. And you know, their gangway is nice and cool. And it's not too steep.
At least for now.
Right.
It's gonna get there.
Right. Okay, first turn. Look at this. This never gets off. There she is. The Mardi Gras. She's waiting. Uh-oh, a little steeper. A little steeper. All right. I'm gonna film us.
We're doing it.
Can you hold it? There you go.
Let's do it again.
I'm still recovering.
You still recovering? Yeah, me too.
Tiff is holding it.
I'm claiming healing right now.
All right.
Yes. Here we go.
Straight ahead. All right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Bingo! We are on the ship. On the Mardi Gras. Praise the Lord. All right. Wow. Welcome to the Mardi Gras. Yeah, let's go check and see if we can find a room. All right. There's more that way. I think we're more, let's go around the corner, yeah. So when you come on the Mardi Gras, avoid these elevators. They're crowded. All right, I'm gonna try not to swing you guys around so much so you can get to see what's going on. But Embarkation Day, Java Blue. All right, this is like center stage area. Okay, so we're gonna try to find some elevators around the other side here. Because those main ones are usually crowded. We're on deck 10. Okay. And then we're gonna do our muster after we drop our stuff off. So we gotta watch a video first. Photographers are all around. Okay, here's the second set, elevators. Yep. Here we go. All right. Okay, we're on our way to the muster station.
Yes. To the muster station?
Muster station, C7.
Yes. C7.
Okay, I got these weird looking glasses on.
It's in the casino.
That's right. C7, the casino. Here we go.
We're going to come back and visit.
All right. Hey, C7.
C7 in the
All right.
One boarding pass per cab.
Okay.
There you go. All right, guys. I got you good.
Thank you.
It's going to show you the life jacket demonstration.
Okay.
Same cabin, right? You good?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's going to show you the life jacket demonstration.
Okay. Do it.
You're recording.
You're gonna show me? You're gonna show me? You're gonna hold on a second. Hold on a second.
To know, like, from there.
Get in there, Tiff. Come on. We gotta get the mustard drill
Together.
Yeah. Okay. This young man here is gonna show us how to do the life jacket demonstration. Because that is so important for us to know how to do that. He's gonna save our lives. Okay. All right.
So with your life jacket, you're going to go around your waist, clip it over here, and then you pull it. Make sure it's tight.
Yes.
This one, you target it behind your back.
Okay.
And then you're going to clip it over this side as well. And then on your life jacket, there's going to be a light. It's water activated.
Whoa.
Then you got a whistle also.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Bravo,
You're going to
boss.
find the menu master station on C7 by the casino.
Oh my God, I am so safe. Thank you. God bless you.
Just saved my life.
Thank you. Wasn't that remarkable?
That was. I'm so enlightened right now.
I am too.
I feel so much safer.
So much safer. Ooh, there's the coin trio.
There you go. Right there.
All right, we're gonna test the faith. I don't know.
We're gonna have some fun.
We're gonna have some fun.
That's what it's about.
Okay, where to next, Tiff?
Okay.
We did our muster. To the room?
Well, it's 12. They said another hour and a half.
But we can drop our bags off because we have faster to the fun.
Cars are at the door.
Yeah, so let's go check it out.
Let's see if we can get it on the elevator.
Deck 10 is where we're going.
Yeah.
Deck 10.
My name is Lucy, and as a member of your entertainment team, let me get a friend
Watching people get on the elevator. Seeing if they can fit.
I'm so excited.
So who's talking to us?
I don't know who that is.
This means that all guests must visit your assigned muster station.
We're going up.
With one of our team members.
All right.
You know, let me. You do.
No, you go ahead.
You want me to?
Do the thing. Do the thing.
Do the thing.
All right. All right, thumbs up for faster to the fun.
There you go. That's
All
our
right.
cabin.
Yep. 424.
What was it? 10, 424.
424.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's see how we do this.
Okay. Yep. Hello.
Hey.
Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Welcome to cabin 10-424. Oh my God, it feels good in here.
Very nice.
Oh man.
Wow, we got some stuff in here.
You got a card to put in the light
You
switch?
got a card. I got a card.
Okay. We're gonna put one in here
Yeah.
so we can get some power on. That's how you do it.
Got it.
This is the Carnival way.
On.
Powered are on. Look at this room.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Clean. Yes. Drop off something.
I tell you, the Mardi Gras knows how to do it.
Okay.
All right, we got our waters delivered to us.
Yes, we have our waters.
We ordered those. Nice.
Yeah, and then we ordered some mugs, some wine goblets.
All right, take a look at that. Yes, these
One's
are
blue, one's
these
red.
are extra.
Yeah.
We'll put some comments down below on how much we pay for these
Yeah.
wine tumblers.
Very nice.
Keep the wine.
And
Yeah.
we have a red one in there.
Let's take a look.
So I got the waters.
Okay. All right.
All right. So, what does it say here? This is for our portrait package.
Okay.
We,
Nice.
We purchased. Okay. We got shelving, and we got extra glasses.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
And for anything, bubblies.
Good.
We got a nice little
Cooler.
cooler in here.
Yeah.
Drawer space. We had 3 drawers, and one of the first things we do is we take out a laundry bag
Those are nice.
for ironing.
That's a nice option.
Yes, I like
All
that
right.
option.
Yeah.
And then here's a valet service, so we're gonna work that out.
Yeah, for the laundry.
And then here's a hair dryer. And we have a third drawer at the bottom. And let out bed. Just in case.
Yeah, it's
What
nice.
is it called? I forget what it's called.
It's a pull-out bed.
Pull-out bed.
For
Here's
extra.
a little ottoman for a little storage.
Seating and storage.
Yeah.
This turns into a vanity.
It also turns into a tray.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a good idea, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It turns into a tray.
Very nice.
So we like that.
Okay.
For those mornings that we don't want to get out of bed. We have a little breakfast thing come to the room.
Absolutely.
All right.
So let's talk about the powers. Let everybody know how many outlets you get.
So we got 3 outlets.
3 U.S.
American, right? U.S. and USBs. 2 on this side, 2 on the left.
Phone there.
Yeah, telephone.
There's some reading lights in the corner there.
If there is, there is.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
What, you flip it up?
Flip it out.
There you
Look at
go.
that. That's where.
Turns.
Yep. Very nice.
Yeah, okay.
All right. What else is new?
That's nice. Okay, let's see what's under the bed.
That's should be.
Under the bed, there is a ladder. It looks like a ladder. Never saw that before.
I guess it's maybe. Is there a bunk area? I don't know. There's probably storage, but if it's in the way, we want to put our luggage under there.
Yeah.
But if it's in the way, we'll just ask them to remove it.
Okay. Got our remote control.
And I'll reach over here to turn on that mood lighting going on there. Check that out.
And we got a little light here.
Little light there.
What's this? Oh, that's to turn the other.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
There's a little ambiance going
Bang,
on.
bang, kabang, 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 bang. Okay, don't get too much disco in here.
Right.
And we have the TV.
Flat screen.
The tele.
Yes.
Okay.
And a nice
Little trash can.
Yeah. Now.
There's enough room to walk around in here. It's not bad.
All right.
This is more like a queen size bed.
You think so?
Yeah, it's not a king.
You don't think it's 2 twins put together?
It's 2 twins, maybe half twins, but it's not a king.
Yeah.
It's not a full king. We got some hooks here.
Yeah, we
What you got to?
I always have a problem getting these trays down. I don't know why.
I don't know either. We never use them.
Well, because we can't. I have a hard time getting them down.
We'll figure it out.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. You got one to flip. Be careful, they may pop down. All right. Okay.
That's one.
All right.
We have 2. It's like
Gives you extra,
2 shells. Yeah.
extra shelving. Okay, let's leave them down.
You know, and then some hangers. You can always ask for more.
Yeah.
And here's a safe.
Beautiful.
And then you have 2 little trays here. And one bigger one at the bottom.
And you have the nice, soft close, no slamming or anything like that.
Yeah, and then you have hooks on the doors
Yep.
for whatever your clothing or your robes. Let's see if we get robes. We get robes this time? No, I don't think so.
No.
But you do have full-length mirror.
Yeah.
2 shelves, more
Lots of storage.
hangers.
Yep. Another shelf.
Yeah, another shelf. Places to put your shoes. It's kind of nice. So let's look at the restroom. Woo! Okay, this works. Go in. Let's see, nice shower.
It was very nice. And it's
nice.
It's all contained.
Yes.
So you're not going to get water all on the floor.
Right.
And everything like some of those. Even to the side over here is glass area.
Yeah, you have a little pull-out mirror here.
That's
2
nice.
shelves. Maybe a bottom sink shelf. And let's see what we have here. Oh, we have some more storage here. Little cabinet space. Can you see that?
I can see that.
Okay. Little trash bin there. And a little extra toilet paper. Thank you.
Yep.
Toilet. All right. Towels ready to go.
Yeah.
It's ready to say bon voyage.
Right.
All right.
All right. You want to check out the balcony?
Check out the balcony.
Yeah, let's go.
Let me do that.
Let's go check out the balcony.
What side are we on? So maybe we can sit on our balcony and see the sunset, sunrise.
Yeah, we're gonna check. I think we're on the port side.
This is a nice big one. This is a nice big one. I haven't been on this big.
Oh, it is? This is huge.
This is very nice.
Wow. This is huge.
You can have a party. I'm just kidding.
Guys, take a look at this.
Yeah, you can.
This is not
a traditional.
No, this is not a standard size.
This is like.
This is an extra size. I don't know. When we picked it, it wasn't picked like this. Oh, look at here. Oh,
so if we're in 10, that's
we don't get any privacy. Oh, because we're like overhang. Oh, they can see us. Oh, snap. Oh, look at all of that.
Oh my goodness.
You can see all of that. Oh my God. Look at the view. Oh my God. We're going to see some really interesting things.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
This one on which side we're on?
Let's see.
Starboard or are we on the...
We'll find out. I got a feeling we're on the port side. I got a feeling this is the left side.
And the left side
is port. 4 letters.
Okay.
All right.
So it looks very nice. I like the space.
It is. Feels good. Very spacious.
Yeah.
So you got...
Privacy.
Yeah. Wow. This is like crazy. I didn't even know these balconies existed. Wow. You learned something new?
I enjoy this.
We're going to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Yes.
Yes. This is a safety hazard.
Absolutely. You know we need to be safe.
All right. So, how do you rate this balcony cabin?
Oh, it's a good one.
I think this is good. This is better than the spa cabin we had.
Yeah, it was really tiny.
Yeah. The only difference is that the spa you had your special elevator that goes straight down to the spa level, deck 5, I believe, something like that. Straight from 17 down.
So it's very nice.
Okay. So we're in our rooms. There's no faster to fun got us in our room. Now, our luggage ain't here yet.
We gotta see if it was worth it.
Well, the luggage ain't here yet.
The money.
The luggage is part of the perk, Tiff. It ain't here.
It ain't here?
That's all right.
It could be here.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna go check a look. I'm gonna go take a look. Okay, here we go. Here we go. To the left, no luggage. To the right, no luggage. Okay. Warning.
Will Robinson.
Your faster to the fun is expired. It only lasts for a certain amount of time. Are you having fun?
I am having fun. I'm not even gonna sweat this.
All right.